Oh. Well, good morning. Rijntje is finished with her pellets. And now she eats this. That's for Dolly. Hey. And she also tried to eat this from Solly. No, it's not yours. Goed zo, Dolly. But he's far away now. I'm busy with the wire again. First, the wire was over there, and now I did it here so they can mow everything. I think this afternoon. Come on, Dolly. You can go to your mom. Nee, Elvis. Hey. Hey, Sally. Bye, Rijntje. What's that? Rijn? That's my dad, Rijn. He's making our house better. So. Ah, goed zo. Goed zo. Well, he did a great job again. Rijn. Hey, Tjoeke. Rijsie. Draf. Goed zo. I thought he's doing that good, I can film. But, ja, goed zo. Goed zo. Kom. Draf. Draf. Kom. Oh, stappen. Ricey and Tyrone. I brought them here. Kom Ricey, take off your halter. Oh no. Elvis and Sally. Oh. En Dolly en Rijntje. No. Kom eens Ricey. Ricey, kom eens. Well, I do it later. Oh, oh, oh. Lomke. En Belle en Boukje. And the power. And be careful. Hallo. En Yveske. Oh, do you go there? I thought they can go inside, but I forgot to close this fence. Oops. That's from Tyrone. Okay, bye. No, stay there. Yveske. Belle. Oh, that's Blomke. I think Blomke can better stand there. Boukje. Kom maar. Doe maar, Blomke. Goed zo. Bella was calling you. You have to go to her. No. Doe maar. Doe maar, Boukje. You can go here for now. Sally and Tyrone, please act normal. I'm always a bit afraid when she's doing that with her hind leg. It's against the wire. But now it's okay. Elvis. En Dolly en Rijntje. En de ponies. Glendy, Pete, Daisy, Spidey. And of course, Ricey. Okay, this is the pasture of the yearlings and Yvke. And I'm cleaning this wire. And every time when I'm with the clovers, I look at it. And I didn't find a 4-leaf clover yet. It's not a good sign, I think. What will happen? No. Well, maybe later. But hey, I always share when I find one. But now I didn't yet. Maybe later. We shall see. Okay. What is going on? Tyrone is protecting the ladies. And he's chasing away Ricey. Like that. So I think I have to bring them in. Okay, now it's okay again. Well, I keep a close eye on it because I'm here. I can see a lot. If I don't trust it, I separate them. And for a moment I thought, hey, Pete is peeing. But that's not what I thought. I thought maybe this is the bad luck for today. And I walk away and look. I was standing there and walked here and here. And I saw clovers. And what's here? Yay! A 4-leaf clover. Yay! It's not that beautiful anymore, but hey, it's a 4-leaf clover. It's for you, Ricey. And I thought I have to look closer. And look what I found. Hey, and a 2. A 4-leaf clover and a 2-leaf clover. This one. And that one. That's Solly. Tyrone. Reintje and her son Tyrone and Dolly. And here Daisy, Spidey, Peach and Glendy. Hey. Silke en onkruid. Zo is dat in het Engels. We don't know what it is in English. Onkruid. Onkruid. Okay, a lot of work, but ta-da! Now it's easy, like this. So it goes very fast. Okay, here's only a bit of grass, but ta-da! Perfect. And now we did this. A bit hay for 3B and Yvonne. Because they can't go in the pasture right now. Because of the... Huh? Hello? There he is. There. So I thought maybe this is a good idea. Bella en Blomke. Yvonne. En Boukje. Oh no. It's scary. Doe maar. Goed zo. Hallo? Reisie. Yvonne. Belle. En Boukje en Blomke. I have to be careful. Hey! Tie je rein. Oh, she can buck so high. Yveske, Blomke, Belle, Boukje. Yveske. Blomke, Boukje en Belle. Oké. Oh, Taya Ryan is mean. He's acting if he is the stallion of the whole herd and chases away Reisi. But the whole day I'm watching them, the whole afternoon, and I think it's okay. But now those fillies are here and he's acting a bit strange again. But I keep a close eye on it. There's a mean stallion again. And really, if I think this is not okay, I bring them in or something. Bella, Boukje en Blomke. Okay, when I don't trust it, I close this and they can be here with food and power. Yes. And water. Hey Bella, Blomke. I got an apple from, but it's for the horses, but I'm a bit hungry. And I did a lot today, and I didn't film a lot because when I'm filming it takes a lot of time, and I wanted to do this and the wire before they mow and all the things. And the horses, these horses I had inside just to let them poop, and so I can check their poop again. And I think we're going to eat in a moment, and I hope this evening I can check the poop. So thanks. Yvonne and Bella, they want to have him. Later you also get one, okay? When I think I bring them in this evening, tonight, and then they get an apple. Sally and Elvis, Rijntje and Dolly, she's peeing. I brought them in. Now next. Tyrone and Reisi, and he still wears his halter because I couldn't get him. Tyrone. Hey Reisi. Goed zo jongens. Doe maar. Bella, Boukje, Yvonne en Blomke. Hey, sorry, you can't go to the pasture right now. Hey, hey Blomke, Boukje. Bella and Yvonne. And Bella is bigger. Hey Bella. So Dolly,